Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I will help you figure out how to automatically add orders into a Google Sheet using webhooks and Google Apps Script. No stress, no coding headache. Let's get started and make your order management smooth and seamless. So here is how it works. Whenever someone places an order on your website, the order details will be automatically sent to a webhook URL that we have set up. In this case, that URL points to a Google Apps script published as a web app. That script will take the order info, format it nicely, and then drop it into a Google Sheet, one row per order. And the best part, everything happens automatically. New orders are added to the spreadsheet on their own without any input from you. Here is what you will need to follow along. A Google account, a SpreadSimple site with the shopping cart turned on, I'll be using this one. And a little bit of JavaScript knowledge, or at least some curiosity about how the code works. Ready? Let's dive in and connect all the dots. Step 1. Create a Google Sheet for orders collection. The Google Sheet where we will collect all the orders will be linked directly to our app script. Now, this doesn't have to be the same spreadsheet you use to store your product information. In fact, I recommend creating a separate Google Sheet just for the orders. It helps keep everything organized and easy to manage. Let's go ahead and create a new Google Sheet. We will set up the following columns: date, order ID, client name, client email, client phone, client message, order total, order content. Once we have this set up, we'll be ready to move on to connecting it with the script. Step 2. Create the script. Alright, now let's connect our Google Sheet to some code magic. Head up to the Tools menu and select Script Editor. This will open a brand new tab with a fresh Google Apps script file. You can click on the title at the top and rename it to something more meaningful if you like. Maybe something like Order Webhook Handler. Now you will see a default function called My Function. We won't need that, so go ahead and delete everything in there and replace it with this code. Once you have done that, don't forget to hit Save. It's very important. So, what does this function actually do? It handles income's post request. This is what our webhook will send when someone places an order. It parses the order data into a neat object we can work with. Then it creates a row of data with each piece of info lined up to match the columns in our Google Sheet. New date just stamps the current date and time. And finally, it adds the whole row to the spreadsheet quietly in the background, no user interruptions. Step 3. Deploy the script as a web app. Alright, now let's get this script live. Click the Deploy button and choose New Deployment. We're almost there. Next, set the deployment type to Web App. That's what lets us connect everything together. In the Who Has Access section, switch it to Anyone so the webhook can reach it, and hit Deploy again. You will see a prompt to authorize access. Go ahead and click your account. Then hit the Advanced link and finally click on Go To. Don't stress about the unsafe warning. It's just you giving permission to your own Google Sheet. Totally safe. Once that's done, copy the web app URL. We will need it for the next step. Step 4. Configure the webhook on SpreadSimple website. Now head back to your SpreadSimple dashboard, open the Checkout tab and find the webhooks section. Paste in the web app URL you just copied, click Save, then Publish to make it live. Let's see it in action. Place a test order, and just like that, every new order gets recorded as a separate row in your Google Sheet. 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 Your Google She Now that the technical part is clear, you can either go to test it yourself or stay a bit longer with me to find out why you need this setup. Even though it might seem a bit technical at first glance, here is why it is a smart move. It is completely free to use. Low-code tools work great alongside your no-code website. JavaScript gives you tons of flexibility and options. It's built right into the Google Apps ecosystem. Do you want to take it to the next level? Here are a few creative ways to expand this setup. Send personalized emails to customers, including download links or license keys via Mail app. Call any third-party APIs using URL Fetch app. Automatically create Google Calendar events with Meet links. Integrate with other Google tools like Drive, Forms, Slides, and more. Feeling stuck or have questions? Drop a comment below and we will help you figure everything out. Creating a website just got way easier. With SpreadSimple's brand new AI creator, all you need is a simple prompt, and just like that your website is ready. No tech headaches, no design stress. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect for busy business owners who want results without the hustle. Curious to see it in action? Check out our SpreadSimple AI Builder tutorial and you will be up and running in just a few minutes. Quick tip before we wrap up. If you're enjoying how easy it is to build website with SpreadSimple, here is a chance to earn profit. Join our affiliate program and get 30% commission just by recommending SpreadSimple to your friends, clients, or audience. It's a win-win. They discover a powerful no-code tool and you get rewarded for spreading the word. You will find the affiliate link down below. Check it out. And that's it. That's how you collect orders in the sheet using webhooks and Google Apps Script. If you are looking for more in-depth tips on how to build your website with SpreadSimple, visit our help page and check other videos on our YouTube channel. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!